How to fix keyboard disappeared in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, set as default keyboard. Open setting now. In setting, scroll down, click on additional settings, click on language add input, click on manage keyboard. Now manage default keyboard. After manage default keyboard, set as default keyboard from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Press volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two options, power off and reboot. And if you want to restart device, then swipe down this icon. After swipe down, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear cache of keyboard. Again open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search keyboard app. Now click on keyboard app. Scroll down. Now here you will see clear cache or clear data, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on about phone, scroll down, click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, reset all settings or data from your phone. This is how you can fix keyboard disappeared in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.